Hey Pussycats, in this video I want to show you how to cancel your Plenty of Fish subscription. If you find this video helpful, please drop a like and subscribe to the channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, so I've outlined a few different ways how to do this, so via the website, app, or your iOS or Android devices. So the first way is via the Plenty of Fish website, so head over to pof.com. Make sure to log in, and then once you're logged in, click on your profile icon in the top right hand corner, select account settings from the drop down menu, scroll down to the subscription section, click on cancel subscription and follow the prompts to confirm your cancellation. And now if you want to cancel via the Plenty of Fish app, so open up the app on your phone, make sure to log in, tap on the profile icon in the top left corner, go to settings, select account or subscription settings. Find the manage subscription section, tap on cancel subscription and follow the instructions to confirm. And now if you've got an Apple device, open up settings on your iPhone or iPad, tap on your name at the top of the screen, select subscriptions, find Plenty of Fish in your list of subscriptions and tap on it, and then tap cancel subscription and confirm your cancellation. And now if you've got an Android device, what you want to do is locate your Play Store. Click onto your user profile, top right hand corner, click on payments and subscriptions, click on subscriptions, and now locate your Plenty of Fish subscription here and then click cancel. An important side note here, so cancelling your subscription will stop future billing, but you'll still have access to premium features until the end of your current billing period. Make sure to cancel a few days before the renewal date to avoid being charged for the next period.